are in the court. We are here to determine the guilty and not guilty status of one Sir Adlington. Correct?
Hello? Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
More or less.
Oh, that's
Okay.
right.
Well, I thought I was on trial.
Prosecution. Who's on trial? Prosecution. Call your first witness.
Oh,
Is that them or is that us?
No, you're
I think
the
we're
defense.
prosecution.
We're the prosecution.
Okay.
Yeah, we're the prosecution.
Get your sides together, men.
Right. I call Milby to the stand.
Oh, okay. Oof.
Get on up there.
You gotta go. Yeah, go.
Yeah, I know how to lawyer.
I'm just,
I know what I'm
sure. I'm really nervous, man.
Hey, Ko. Go easy on me. Here's a bit of chicken.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Right. Yeah. Anyway.
Objection, poultry.
Objection denied.
There you go.
No poultry's denied.
Poultry is allowed in the court.
Yeah. Don't. Yeah. All right.
Don't be a chicken,
Milby.
pack rat.
Can you explain what happened? Give us your side of the events as you saw them.
Okay. It was dark night.
Was it raining?
It was raining really heavily. It was raining so heavily that you could almost not see through the rain. That
Dark
kind of,
raining.
yeah, like super heavy rain, like that. And then there was lightning, and it was a scary night. Me and MC were huddled up by the fire drinking cocoa butter marshmallow stuff, and we were talking about the good days. And then out of nowhere, we hear this explosion from underneath the base, and then this madman with knives and glowing red eyes and evil look at his face comes like running around. He's like, "I'm destroying your base because it's in the way of my train track, and I don't care about anything else." And then he just came in and he just laid his train track through the house, and then he just set the whole house on fire.
I see.
And he laughed, and he told us that, and he also took a poo
Oh.
in my cocoa, and I couldn't eat it anymore. And it was
So,
I was
Milby,
not happy
Did you
with
really
it.
take a poo in his
Can-
cocoa?
So, Milby,
Yes.
Don't do it.
can you point to the man who took a poo in your cocoa?
Oh, I don't even know if I can look him in the eyes. It makes me shiver. It's over. The man is that man right there. Look.
Let the record show that Milby has pointed to the pooing man with the glowing red eyes.
He never stops
Nope.
pooing.
No further questions for this witness.
Oh God, I can't look anymore. Ah!
Oh no!
No,
Oh, no.
defense.
Get back up there.
Defense. Would you like to question the witness?
No, I'm good.
Milby, you may return to your bench.
Oh, it's so hard.
Prosecution calls the second witness. One MC Gamer.
Bailiff, would you like to escort him to the
Would
correct
you like
side
some
of-
help here? This way, sir. Around the desk.
I'm sorry. I'm just so nervous.
Here you go, sir.
You have nothing
long
to be
day.
nervous about if you sustain the truth and justice.
Okay, I can.
Ooh,
do
bailiff.
that.
Tricky trick.
I'm a quickster.
Oh, bailiff. Oh, okay. I'm less nervous now.
Anything I can do to help.
Oh. Oh. I
There's
believe my
no
attorney
phones.
has gone mute.
There are no phones in the courtroom. Get yourself together, prosecution. MC Gamer, would you like to give us a rundown of the events for that night?
Right. Okay. So, as Moby said, it was definitely night. Definitely night. It was dark. There was definitely a moon. I couldn't. Maybe there
Was it
wasn't a
raining?
moon. It. Let's go with yeah. I remember the pitter patter on the roof as it hit our copier machine, which was sticking out of the ceiling for undescribable reasons. And as the rain fell, we were by a fireplace which can no longer be found. Unfortunately, the chimney was broken down and disintegrated. Alas, the man destroyed the things like it was said. It went boom, pow, and it was most. Am I doing well?
Doing just fine. Just
Okay.
fine.
Okay,
So do you have any recollection about the pooing?
I took no notice of Milby's mug. I just saw brown things in it. I assumed coffee, but
Aha!
poo is a possibility for 90%. 90.
Listen, I'm going to need you to be 100% sure because half facts are not going to fly in this courtroom. Don't pee on my leg and tell me it's raining, MC Gamer. I need to know what happened.
There was poo, not pee, ma'am.
So there was, or are you
Yeah.
not sure?
100%.
Okay.
Don't poop on my leg and call it an avalanche.
Now, I like to further what was said. However, so there was a snarky apology written about the events afterwards, in which we responded telling him that we were going to sue him. So he knew quite well, and we could later find many things and assorted evidence within his house if we were to go and look.
Do you have the snarky note with you?
I do not. However, my lawyer might, maybe.
Oh. Do you mean
Bailiff?
this?
I'll take that. I'll take that.
Thank you.
You're so excited.
Okay. Okay.
You ripped it from
Interesting. Interesting.
Bailiff, would you mind
me. Wow. Magic
There
bailiff.
you are.
Okay, let's look at this.
Would you like to read it aloud and how
Yes.
snarky it is?
The MINDCRACK Rail Network, MRN, regrets to inform you that due to the ongoing construction of the MRN main transit line, your basement was damaged. The MINDCRACK Rail Network would like to apologize for any inconvenience this may cause you, and as a token of our appreciation for your cooperation during this time, the MRN would like to offer you free transit on any of our services for life. The MINDCRACK Rail Network is also willing to help supply resources to help reconstruct the damaged structures. Please contact ADS to arrange resource supply or construction services. Any complaints about the MINDCRACK Rail Network can be directed to Etho.
Well, you see, so we responded to him, telling him that he destroyed our basement that was made of diamonds.
It was
And
made. It was made. Do you have proof, any photographic evidence or materials to prove that it was made of diamonds?
No, because we don't go off showing off our diamond supply for
Yeah.
fear of it. Hey, I'm telling the story.
Yeah.
We don't show off our diamonds, ma'am.
Okay.
I mean that with the utmost respect.
Yes. So my question would be this: we all know physics and science and Minecraft. When things blow up, they often drop. Where do you think those dropped items are?
Well, ma'am, to be really honest with you, I bet I can show you.
Shall we, bailiff?
You're in trouble.
Shall
It's
we?
time. It's
Shall we
time
escort?
to take this court on the road. Should we take a field trip?
Yes, follow me, please.
Okay.
I'll lead you right.
I'm gonna
Right.
ask the defense
everybody in
to
line.
come with us as well, so they can observe the evidence.
Do we have a warrant for this? Is this allowed?
I am the law.
Oh. Okay.
Ow!
Sorry.
Ow! Oh!
No, not in my
Oh,
courtroom.
oh, sorry.
Shot multiple times.
I was trying to keep the leader, the pack together. I was
Okay.
That's a
doing my
plot
bailiff
by the
duties.
defense.
Yeah. They tried to kill it. They hired an assassin to kill a lawyer.
I have an arrow in my face.
I don't even know if you can
It
carry
says defense on it.
Order,
Do you need a lawyer
order,
to
order out of the
I may need a
courtroom.
lawyer.
Okay?
Order around the court.
So please follow us down here, where you can find, clear as day. First of all, within this chest is our litigious message that we delivered.
I'll
if
take
you
that for my evidence. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
While we're here.
Okay.
Now, if you would please, I know. I saw.
You're getting holes in your story, sir.
Ma'am, I do believe that he has removed the evidence He has destroyed it.
What do you have to say for this, Adlington?
I have never seen a diamond in my life. I don't even know what color they are.
Sir,
False! You were wearing diamond armor when you entered the court.
lies will not uphold in this courtroom.
He's whispering lies in your eyes.
Would you like to recant that statement and perhaps try telling the truth?
I have seen occasional diamonds in my life. I am well aware of their color. That was a lie. I apologize. But MC's diamonds could be a different color. They could be orange. I don't know because I haven't seen MC's diamonds.
Okay. Is there any more evidence you'd like to show here?
No, we can go back to the nice comfy room. Let's go.
Okay. After you, sirs.
Oh god. If I hit it. Okay. Careful, Co. I'll protect you.
Ow!
Wait, shouldn't the lawyer be protecting us?
No, but he's there. But there's assassins out to get
I've
him.
been under
I'm gonna
attack.
take assassins.
Oh,
Keeping an eye
Apparently
out
the
for those
bailiff is just-
assassins.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm trying to do my job.
Okay. MC, is there anything else you would like to add to your story at this time?
I just feel that we should be either recompensated. Yeah, let's go with that.
Okay.
Yes.
Recombusted.
We are
Recom-
seeking recombustion.
You are seeking
Recombobulation.
product and damages to the tune of what?
Many diamonds.
How many exactly?
Approximately some, yes, ma'am.
Okay. But
Definitely
you
a
say your
lot.
whole basement was made out of them, but you don't remember exactly how many.
You see, it was a very large basement.
Let me handle this here. I believe
Okay.
that it was on to the tune of about 10 blocks.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, so 90 diamonds.
That would sound correct.
That's correct, yes.
Okay. You may take the seat. Bench.
Actually,
No more questions.
You're done with questions. Your questions are done.
Mr. MC.
hi!
Hi there.
Hi. You enjoying your new job?
I'm starting to get the hang of it, I think. Did you or did you not receive notice of the oncoming destruction of your basement possibility in the town hall at some point in the past?
Nope.
Because there's a notice board in the basement that if you had checked there a month ago, that had notice of the incoming destruction. Did you or did you not see this?
Objection, this is just the plot to Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy.
Objection denied.
What?
Continue, Patrick.
Well,
That is standard practice in this galaxy.
what I feel is I shouldn't have to be obligated to check a board. It should have been delivered to me in the mail if there was going to be some sort of official notice.
So you admit that there is definitely a notice that you ignored.
I didn't ignore it. It wasn't presented to me. It was an optional thing.
But you didn't see it. But you did know that it existed. And
No,
just
not
never-
until
and
just
ne-
now.
And never bothered. Well, you didn't check it now, did you?
I shouldn't have to. It should be delivered to my box.
I think that about my case is now rested. You can take a seat.
Claim MC is blind, quick.
And
Don't need to do that. No need for that.
I expect payment later on today. By the way, excuse me.
Very well, very well.
MC, you may take your seat. No, in your bench
Whose
with your
seat?
lawyer.
Oh.
No, with your lawyer.
Yep.
Shenaniganry
I
in
think
the
they need a new
courtroom.
lawyer.
Follow me,
Your
sir.
Honor.
Follow me this way, sir. This way. This way. Here.
Defense, would
Over
you
here.
like to call a witness?
Wait, we can call more witness.
No, you're done. You have no more
Adlington-
witnesses.
What?
Call
we have
Adlington to the stand.
Okay.
You calling me?
Yeah.
Alright.
Call yourself to the
Not one of the 14 Adlingtons in the jury.
Adlington,
Impartial
could you
jury
please
here.
go over the events that partaked on that day from your view.
Well, after kissing some orphans and blessing some chickens, I decided to continue my ongoing construction on the MINDCRACK rail network, which is for the benefit of the entire server, to ease their transportation needs. Unfortunately, due to the built-up location that I've decided to build my station in for ease of convenience, there was a certain base in the way, I tried to find many ways to get around the base, but there was no other option apart from digging maybe 2 or so blocks into the basement of the base, which was not being used at the time.
So you're saying that you are mildly inconvenienced by their presence in the first place,
Yes. Well, yes. Yes.
and you're
Majorly,
doing it
probably.
totally for the good of the entire community, and no personal gain is in this at all.
No, in fact, I'm losing resources on it, and I don't even use it.
And did you or did you not poo into their coffee?
I did not poo. I am
That's
unable
a
to
lie!
do that due to an
Put
ongoing
in my coffee!
Rest!
Hey,
Order in
Milby,
the
get back here.
courtroom!
Milby,
Order in the
get back here.
courtroom!
Get back
Order in the courtroom!
So,
Milby, do you want this case dismissed? Oh! Objection! Murder!
Plaintiff! Bailiff! Next time,
I'm
try
sorry.
try to use
Sergeant, I used
reasonable.
excessive
Try
force.
to use.
Murdered man.
Milby, please reincarnate your way back to the courtroom, please.
Respect the case.
Order in the court! Order in the court. Please return to your original stations. Packrat, you may continue your questioning.
okay. Now I have no idea where the heck I was now. I'm gonna go ahead and just rest there. Is there anything else that you wanted to state? Any other statements that you wanted to make right now?
I do have their litigious message, which details their response to my apology.
Oh, I should give it.
Better hand that over.
Hand it to
I-
the bailiff, please.
Fear the man with the red hair. Fear the man with the red hair.
There you go.
Okay, let's read this second message. It says litigious message. Okay. Dear Sir, Madam, it has come to our attention that the MRN was, no, take that away. Okay, this is going to be a very interesting message. It has come to our attention that your construction work has encroached on Tranquility, that is Orange Wool Headquarters Insider. You mentioned your intent to repay for damages after several assessments by professional architects of our original fully legally recognized blueprints. Before this, we were living Da Vida Loca in a satin cloud of dreams and hopes that you smashed with your corporate fudgery. In fact, the area was demolished, was made exclusively of the finest, clearest, most precisely cut, high-quality diamond blocks. For this, all these reasons aforementioned above, we would like to be compensated for the loss of very rare diamonds. Please and thank you, you sucker face. Yours, anger faithfully, Orange Wool. P.S. I didn't take a poo in your real cart. That wasn't me. Stop telling people it was. Don't make me get the boys. There you go, and that's it. I think we did a good job today, and we sent off a lay. Oh God, now stop. That is the most poorly written. I worry about the faith of our future generations.
So wait. From that note, evidence states that the poo was not done by you, but was done
Exactly.
to you. From where is your
Milby,
go?
Milby, reincarnate before we come kill you again.
I'm coming. Where are you?
I'm having trouble
Bailiff
with
is after
creepers
you.
in fountains. Hang on.
There
I'm
were
coming.
multiple poo.
I know. Just be quiet.
Packrat, would you like to
No,
hand questioning over to the prosecution?
One last question: were there not any diamonds in that basement?
I
Covered
did
with
not see any diamonds in the
No diamonds.
vicinity.
MC Jim the chicken.
You're witness, and there's a bed here now.
Just in case
Excuse
anyone
me, I'm
else,
gonna go
you
have a
know,
nap.
Just in case
I
you
need to
decide
use
murder
excessive
anyone else.
force on anyone else.
This is a very dangerous courtroom.
Yes.
Really need to work that out. So, Dr. Adlington,
Yes.
isn't it true that you are not, in fact, licensed to run an orphanage?
I never said it was my orphanage.
Mm-hmm. Isn't it also true that you are not an ordained chicken blesser?
I never said they were my chickens.
Answer the question, sir. Are you or are you not an ordained chicken blesser?
I have been licensed by the University of Sri Lanka to bless chickens to the fullest extent that chickens can be blessed by a human mortal
Do you have
minion.
documentation to this effect?
Objection, irrelevance to the
Yes.
pooing.
Judge, credibility of the witness.
Poo. Why is it
Objection
poo?
sustained. Please move along, sir, to the point.
Damn. Do you not deny that that was in fact a different poo?
I've never pooed.
Listen,
Impossible.
listen,
We might
Don't-
need to get a doctor back in that.
listen. Don't poo and say that it's a brownie, sir. I will
Right.
question your credibility. Would you like to recant your statement and tell the truth again this time, sir?
Due to a medical condition, I have never taken a poo. I just can't do it. I've tried.
Do you have documentation to this effect?
I have the absence of a poo hole.
Judge, we must subpoena. All right, never mind.
Objection. Objection.
Please move
Yeah, we would
along.
object.
Objection, projection.
Okay, please move along, sir,
Damn.
to the events of that night.
Isn't it true that even though you claim that this rail network operation is for the community, that you in fact do want to make a profit from its efforts?
No. I will
Isn't
travel
that
on them.
exactly why you broke into a basement made entirely of diamond so that you could reap the benefits of the debris?
I have the debris right here for them to rebuild with. If the bailiff wants to pick that up.
Bailiff, you can hand it to the prosecution, please.
We don't want that. That's not ours.
Objection?
Gross.
Not theirs.
Oh, we're being this. They're putting dirt on Milby. He's already died. Now you're
This
getting
dirt is poo. He's pooed on them once again.
He's
I object.
pooed on us again.
Metaphorically, not.
Look, we poo everywhere.
It's metaphorical. Okay.
I don't think you want to argue with a bailiff.
He has a sword.
Ah,
He's
He's
murdered me
killed
before.
people.
Continue,
He's got the
Co.
1,000-yard stare. No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay,
The poo
Nailed it.
stands alone.
Adlington, you may go back to your seat, please. In a typical court case, we would allow the jury to deliberate. In this case, I am concerned about the way that this jury would sway. It's very clear.
Objection. Objection.
Yes.
We had one more person to call who's very important to this entire ordeal.
Okay, you may call them to the stand.
Take Chad.
Oh, we call Chad to stand.
Okay.
What should I ask him?
He's the one who studied the destruction.
What, really?
Yes,
Okay.
he's a contractor thing.
Slash
Just told me
bailiff.
this before.
Oh.
Organization in the court. Organization in the court.
Organization.
Okay.
Organizing.
File
there-
away. File the letters.
So, Dr. Bailiff, I hear tell that you may have some first-hand details you'd like to share with us about
That's right.
the destruction.
I pick up odd jobs around the server, and on top of being the bailiff, I'm also the inspector. And so I inspected the premises after the defendant destroyed their base.
And what did you witness?
Well, there was definitely a rail system going through their basement. It seemed like a few, sheep? Their livestock had been killed, burned to death. It seemed like they had been mixed up. Some were so afraid they had changed colors. It was a quite traumatic experience. I did not, however, see evidence of the diamonds, but that could have been because of the rail system, going through their base and whatnot. So
Indeed.
that's what I witnessed.
I would say that's pretty damning.
I also witnessed that. Oh, sorry. I also witnessed that they Milby and MC Gamer had some really, really good stuff. You know, some ectoplasmic goo. It was, oh man, it was so good. I loved it. It was so.
Yeah, you can actually you can buy the ectoplasmic goo if any of you would like to buy ectoplasmic
This
goo.
is
It's
this is not
low price.
eBay. This is not eBay.
But it's a low price.
This
and
is a
if
courtroom.
If you buy 2 for 1 ectoplasmic
Hey,
Alright.
you're not the
Objection.
judge. You're
Selling
not
of
the
things.
judge. You
All right,
can't
all right, all right,
stand
all
on a
right.
platform. You're not the judge.
No further ectoplasm, Your Honor. No further ectoplasm.
Did you break my courtroom?
He may have.
It was
Bananas.
the ectoplasmic goo, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I couldn't
Bailiff.
help
Not
it.
his,
Please
not his
reach.
fault. He was beside himself.
Okay.
I think they have questions.
Defense.
The defense.
We do.
Mr. Chad,
Yes.
is it true that you are also receiving payment for your statement in this trial?
No. What would make you? What? This is
Are
not.
you or are you not getting a percentage of the diamonds that may come part of the settlement in this?
Injection.
No,
Objection.
objection denied. Bailiff, please
Objection.
answer the question.
I was contract worker, so that makes sense. That's not, unheard of.
Bribery. I rest my case. I can't rest. It's daytime.
Your
Bailiff,
Honor, may I ask the investor
well, your
Laelish
case
a
is
question?
typically we leave it to the lawyers, but I will grant it in this case.
I have not talked to my lawyer today. In fact, this is the first time I've met him, and he was hired by MC. So I would like to do the questions.
Yes, sir. Please approach the witness.
I'm good with that.
Mr. Chad, sir,
Yes, Mr. Adlington.
is it true that when you investigated the Orange Wall headquarters that you saw evidence of arson?
I believe so. Yes.
And in your opinion, who committed the arson?
Well, I mean, I did happen to see that day, Milby with a flint and steel. But I mean, that could be coincidence. I'm all tied up. I don't know.
Your Honor, I would like to present this video evidence that Orange Wall committed arson.
I can't
I rest
click
my
on it.
case.
Okay.
I can't click on it either.
Objection.
Yes.
Link not clickable. Objection.
No, objection sustained. It is not clickable, but in my mind, I can read it.
It's not clickable.
Is that all the questions we have for the bailiff? Yes, bailiff, you may return to your stand. At this time, does the prosecution or the defense have any more evidence or witnesses they would like to call?
I have a
Anything else,
request.
boys?
I have a request.
Hmm.
Okay. I have a request. Okay. I'm sorry, Co. Okay. We would like to request if the jury who cannot make a decision does not rule in our favor 100%, that at least they honor us by having the MINDCRACK rail network extend their rail to our new base that we had to construct after the arson out in the lands that are far away.
Consideration will be taken for that request.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can I kiss your feet?
No, that's weird.
Okay.
Get away!
Ectoplasmic goo, man. Would you love some ectoplasmic goo? We have loads of ectoplasmic goo.
No, I'm good.
No. Cool.
Man, you almost got
Defense?
bailiff.
Defense, are you good?
I don't know. Are we
Okay.
good? I'm good.
You're the worst lawyer.
Sure, I'm good too, I think.
Okay.
I was hired this morning.
Here's what I think.
I read a book. I read a book on the way over.
I think I have 5 banana shenanigans standing in front of me in my courtroom. Prosecution. I think you could see this rail coming days ahead of time. You knew logistically it was going to be coming towards your house. However, I think that it is irresponsible that the defense did not provide adequate notice to them that their house was going to be inconvenienced by this railroad. So here's what I'm going to do. I think you're both guilty. I think you both are full of bananas. And I would like to sentence you both to 1 collaboration video where you are required to help rebuild the base together, fix it, There were no diamonds ever. I don't believe that. And if they are building a new base, that the rail makes at least some kind of a small pass out to the new base as well. And that is my final verdict.
Ah,
What do you
Case-
say, boys?
Case
Not too bad. No.
closed.
All right.
Order in the court! Order in the court!
bring in the dancing lobsters.
Woo doo doo doo.
Oh, chicken.
Oh, bless the melon. Oh, bless
Justice
the
took a
melon.
good was a good thing today.
Oh, bless the melon. Oh.
Is everyone satisfied with the verdict?
Let's all hug.
Okay.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, I love law.
And stop making poo
Yay.
jokes. That's so gross. Oh.